Hello everyone, welcome to Sikkhon, and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create cartoon water graphic effects in After Effects. Let's dive into it. First of all, you need to take a solid color layer. Keep your mouse cursor in the project, right-click on the mouse, click Import. Choose Solid from there. A solid layer configuration window will be opened. Rename the layer as per your choice. For example, I renamed it as Water. Choose the color as Watercolor. For here, I kept it as light blue. You can use my color code. It is 0A89F9. Keep the remaining settings same and click OK. Drag the color layer to the composition. Now duplicate the color layer by clicking Ctrl+D from your keyboard and rename it as per your wish. Here, I renamed it as Ripple. Now click on the Ripple layer and go to Effect tab. Choose Noise and Grain and then choose Fractal Noise. You'll see Fractal Noise tab will be opened in the Effects Control section. Now in the Fractal Type option, change the basic option to Strings. Then in the Noise type, change its type to Spline. Change the contrast value from 100 to 150. Now go to Transform option. Uncheck the uniform scaling. Change the scale width value to 285 and scale height value to 75. And go to Complexity option. Change the value to 1. Then go to Evolution option. You have to set keyframe in it. From starting point of the layer, set a keyframe, and in the end point of the layer, set the value of evolution to 1x. After that, you'll see the wave effect is done in the Ripple layer. Now, click on the Ripple layer. Go to Effect tab. Choose Channel, and then choose Shift Channels. Now from Effect Control tab, change Take Alpha from Option to Lightness from the drop-down menu. You'll see the color of the wave is slightly changed. Now, click on the Ripple layer. Go to Effect tab. Choose Color Correction, and then choose Levels. In Effects Control tab, from Levels option, change the channel from RGB to Alpha from drop-down menu. Now, you'll see a histogram in it and 3 key points in the histogram. Now, change the value of Alpha Input Black and Alpha Input White. Keep the 3 key points in the histogram as close to each other. Move them in the right side of the histogram and keep them all together. Now, duplicate the Ripple layer from the composition and rename it to Shading or something like that. Select the shading layer, change the contrast from 150 to 100 in the Effect Control tab. Now go to Evolution option. Change the random seed value from 0 to 140. Now, select the shading layer. Go to Effect tab. Choose Channel and then choose Invert. Now, drag the shading layer lower the Ripple layer. Click on the shading layer and change the alpha-gamma value to 1. Then, change the shading layer opacity from 100% to 10%. And then, Change the scale value of the shading layer from 100% to 200%. That's it. Creating cartoon water graphic effects in After Effects is done. For more tutorials, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd like to see next. Visit Sikkhon.com for a wide range of free and premium courses. Thank you for watching.